Hi, everybody. This is Kathy. Welcome back. Now, today we announced that there is a plan to help the Whitakers either get their house fixed or do something in order to move a step forward to getting the family back, because there is no chance that the state will let them come back in the house in the condition that it's in. And so we just did a live stream over at Toddy's channel, and I'll put the link to that. I'll pin it in the first comment. But we discussed how we would like to try to get those contractors that were offering their help earlier this year to come in and assess the home and see if they could maybe gut it out and make repairs and update everything and put in a new bathroom and kitchen and floors and fix it all. And if they can't, we'll find that out. But earlier this year, there were so many people, companies and contractors and builders that were offering to help and donate their time and their services and expertise and materials to do something to help the Whitakers. And they were all turned away by Eric and Patrick because there was going to be an Amish house, this $1 million Amish house that was just a lie. And in the meantime, all these people who would have helped were turned away. And so we're hoping that maybe we can get some of those people who are volunteering to help donate their time, donate their services, donate materials to help, remodel the home, to fix it up. And if it can't be done, then they will know. They're the experts. So we're going to see if we can get somebody out there and on a voluntary basis. Now, neither one of us want to run a GoFundMe or take any donations of any kind. I really don't want to, but if we could just get those same people who were offering their services earlier this year and were turned away, wondering if they would maybe still be available to help, because without repairing the home, the family can't come back. So we're hoping that somebody would reach out to us, maybe a few people, and offer their services and their help. So that's all we're asking. We're going to try our best to get some help over there. Now, there has been a revolving door of people all year, starting with Patrick and Eric promising this Amish house and all these other barnuminium, you name it. Just total, it was really all lies. I don't believe there's any house that was going to, ever take place. But there's been so many people that come and go and promise them this and promise them that, and it felt like, especially since the family's been taken away in September, it's been September, October, November, we're into December, and there's still just people coming and going. Nobody's actually helping to do anything, really. Nobody's offered to get an attorney. Nobody's offered to make any progress towards getting the family back. It's just been one person after the next, and it seems like most of them actually have some type of hidden agenda or motives behind, their help in their offers. So, but nothing has moved forward and nothing has happened. Nothing towards helping get the family back or improvements of any kind. So we're going to try to gather up some help and do it the old-fashioned way, where people will chip in and help their neighbor here. Like I said, there were so many offers that poured in but were turned away by Eric and Patrick. So hopefully we can get them some help. Now, I did reach out to the family. Of course I did. I wanted to make sure it was okay with Betty, Larry, and BJ. And yes, I got the okay from them. Yes, they're for getting help. Yes, they are. They're for getting any help, because so far they've got nothing but distractions and runarounds and empty promises. So, they don't have any money, and we're just offering for help organizing maybe some workers to go over there and check it out. And if people are against them getting help and want to do live streams full of hate and rage because we're trying to help the family, I don't know what to tell you. That person needs some psychiatric help. Because if you don't want to help the Whitakers, fine. Okay, go to another channel. But this channel has always been for pro Whitakers, and not just one or two, all of them. We want to help the whole family because they are a family and they're a unit. We don't want to just help one or maybe another one. We want to help them all, and we would love to see them reunited. So anybody who wants to go against trying to help them and spew hate and rage and negativity, just go somewhere else, okay? Because we're here, and this channel is about positivity and getting things done and moving forward. And so I don't understand somebody who would be so hateful than not want to have this happen. So yeah, that kind of hate against the family is not welcome here. We want positivity, and if you know anybody who can help, let us know. Like I said, we don't know exactly what we can do, but we're going to try. We're going to try to get some things done here. So anyway, that's all I want to say. I will leave the link in for the live stream that we just did, and we did talk about it. So anyway, I think that's all I have. We'll just take it from here. Like I say, negativity can hit the door, okay? Leave, and let's just do something positive and out of love and not greed or hate or anything like that. So anyway, that's all I gotta say. Thanks for listening, and peace.